Hello everyone, my name is Greg King and welcome to my video on how to get to the top of Google search results for free in minutes with just one tool. In the first quarter of 2020, there's been a huge shift on buyer habits and how they go out and attain either a product, a service, or a need. And that now is shopping online. Now, in 2019, it was upwards of 47% of the people would shop online first and then go out to get the product. Now it seems that after the COVID crisis is nearing an end, that over 60% will actually search online for a product, need, or service. Now, no better way of doing that than by the two top search engines, and that is Google and YouTube. Now, the first thing is you're tired of the same pitched promises of how you can do this and it only takes moments, and you're seeing no results. And all you want to see is real results. You want to see to put your money where your mouth is. Now, the third is you want to be in front of your competition with more and more people going online first, searching the product, then reviewing the product to see if that's where they want to be. Your business will be on the top page. It'll be free and you can do it in moments. And in a moment, once again, I'll show you some great examples. Do you want to crush it versus your competition? All you have to be, as my old partner said, is in business that one has to be 1% better than the competition to get the prize. And there's no better example than a horse race. Want immediate results? Do you want under 5 minutes? Do you want under, well, let's say 5 minutes, and I'll show you later. A lot of these people say within 24 hours or 48 hours. It's not. It can be within minutes. And it can be in minutes. Now, this will be at no cost. It's a simple tool that we use, and it's completely free. Now, if this sounds too good to be true, my mom always said if it's too good to be true, it is probably not true. Now, it is true. I'll have sources on this, and also it'll be in my ebook, which I'm going to put as a bonus down below, and that's how to promote business on Google. And if you can get this down pat to be able to get the keywords, get the proper thumbnail, get the proper video out there, and yes, the secret tool is a simple thing. It's called a video. And if you get the videos going, and primarily one video does not work, ultimately 10 3 to 5 minute videos on your product or your service, or your retail good will make you an absolute powerhouse in your target market. Now, our first example here is how to promote your business on social media. And I was doing some samples just to make sure that, I would practice what I preach and I would deliver exactly what I promised. And what this is an organically posted video, and it hit on the first page, ranked number 3 in just 7 minutes. And you see the arrow here at 7 minutes versus above where it's 4 months. And then the first one is a paid ad. So in essence, with organic ads, I've got number 2 for organic ads. The second example is organically posted again, page 1, first page, and this happened in 4 minutes, and it ranked number 3. So it can be done very effectively. Now, the next one you'll see is organically posted, first page, ranked number 4. That took just 1 minute. Now, the great thing about this is once you get to have a little bit of domination in your field, you'll be able to see that you will put rankings in your same search on the same first page. And I've got the 4th ranking, plus I've got the 3rd ranking. Next example is organically posted again, first page again. Now, the top 2 are ads, and you pay dearly for those. I'm talking about putting something up in minutes. Under 10 minutes is typically, under 5 minutes can be quite normal. This took 7 minutes. It ranked number 4. Plus, we got number 6 ranking. So the top 50%, or 3 of the 6 ranking, are now mine. Example number 5, ranked number 7, 3 minutes. Plus I got ranking 3, ranking 5, ranking 8. So once again, as I start to expand on my niche, I'm getting literally half of the exposure on first page of YouTube. The next example is organically posted, first page, rank 3, rank 4, rank 5, rank 6. So over 65% of the positioning is first page of my niche of how to promote your business locally on YouTube. So the secret, make some compelling videos, 3 to 5 minutes long, and you will actually be cutting edge above the market of your choice. And this works for any market, whether it's dentistry or whether it's selling clothes or electrical or plumbing, it doesn't matter. Now the next one is how this happens when you put your YouTube videos on. Because YouTube and Google are owned by the same parent company, it will migrate over the YouTube. And once again, YouTube is the #1 platform for sourcing and for looking at services. And this one is example number 7. It's organically posted, first page on YouTube again. Once again, 1 minute. Plus the first page on Google. So sorry, first page on YouTube, first page on Google. And also, which is very powerful, if you can get into the video carousel on Google, that's rotating, and that will show that that is probably the most powerful video in this field. And it all just took minutes, and all the rankings were for free. And I don't know a better way of using an hour's worth of your time on a Sunday or Saturday, making 8 to 10 videos that are 3 minutes, or 3 to 5 minutes, should say, and actually being up there and crushing it with the competition. Now, once again, it goes a lot deeper and more in depth into my ebook, which I'm going to be a bonus down below, and that's how to promote your business on Google. Now in my next video, I'm going to share with you the steps of how you can make a powerful video and have those same results as me, as getting on the first page of Google and YouTube within minutes. If you've enjoyed the video and found it informative, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And that way you won't miss any of my new videos coming out. Have a great day.